Guys, this is really hard to say, but Christian can't be here anymore. So today we're gonna find a replacement for him. Okay, here comes the first contestant.
Hello, welcome to another episode of
Dabagoosh. No, that's my thing.
Sorry. You want to hear a joke?
Sure.
What did Batman say to Robin?
No, everyone's heard that joke. Just get out. Okay, here's the next candidate.
Thanks for having me. I brought you some coffee.
Oh, thanks. This is freezing. Just get out. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Let's see who the next contestant is. No. Get out. The kind of people that show up here. Next.
Am I famous yet?
So, how old are you?
I'm this many. I'm
This
bored.
should be interesting. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. I think I'm going to give Christian a call. Thanks for watching.
You want to hear a joke?